High-protein lunches, why they matter.
The protein helps keep you full, supports muscle health, and fuels your afternoon energy. Packing a high-protein lunch can make a big difference in how you feel and focus during the day. These meals are designed to be easy to take to work or school, ensuring you get enough protein without extra hassle.
Chicken salad wrap.
A chicken salad wrap is simple and satisfying. Combine cooked, shredded chicken with Greek yogurt, a little mustard, and diced vegetables. Wrap it all in a whole grain tortilla for a protein boost. This option keeps well, is easy to pack, and provides lasting energy for hours.
Quinoa and black bean bowl.
The quinoa and black beans form a complete protein when paired. Add corn, diced peppers, and a squeeze of lime for extra flavor. Pack it in a container and enjoy hot or cold. This meal is vegetarian-friendly and high in both protein and fiber to help you feel full.
Turkey and cheese bento box.
Try a bento box with lean turkey slices, cheese cubes, whole grain crackers, and fresh veggies. This meal is easy to prepare ahead, customizable, and delivers a satisfying mix of protein, healthy fats, and crunch. It's perfect for busy days when you need a convenient, balanced lunch.
Tuna and hummus pita.
Canned tuna mixed with a little hummus, greens, and tomatoes inside a whole wheat pita makes a delicious lunch. Tuna is rich in protein and omega-3s, while hummus adds extra fiber and flavor. This combo is quick to assemble and packs well for work or school.
Lentil and egg salad.
Lentil and egg salad combines boiled eggs, cooked lentils, diced cucumber, and a light vinaigrette. Lentils are a plant-based protein powerhouse, and eggs add even more staying power. Pack this salad for a filling, energizing meal that keeps you satisfied until your next break.
Putting it all together.
Preparing high-protein lunches doesn't have to be complicated. Choose ingredients that are easy to prepare and pack, aiming for variety throughout the week. These meals will help you stay full, energized, and focused, whether you're at work or school. Try these ideas and enjoy the benefits of a protein-rich lunch routine.